channel Talk with Trutambara. Again I'm here back with you guys with some usable tips for you guys. Definitely after watching my video you will get some positive things. You have to catch the positive things from my video guys. So I have came across different interview in my life. Recently I have faced one interview where GD group discussion round was there. Interviewer assigned us one topic to explain. So what is that topic? Why I will share with you guys. Yes, before sharing this video, I want to share disclaimer of this video with you guys. This opinion are my own. I don't force anybody to follow the same. I do believe in individual independence regarding this issue. There is no right and wrong in this situation. Everyone has their own outlook towards life. Their decisions are their best interest until unless it hurts someone else. हमारा डिसीजन हमारा है जब तक वो किसी को आघात नहीं देता है. So what is the topic? What interviewer assigned me in that interview? I will share you guys. Is it okay to have a physical relationship for a woman before marriage? Some might have faced and some may be faced in future. In India, yes, it is okay to have a physical relationship for a woman before marriage in India. It is not made illegal by any law of India. Yes, definitely it is more social and moral obligation that a woman should not have a physical relationship, right? But one more question comes here. What she thinks about it, how she takes it. This is important things. If everything is okay for a woman, let her to go for it. If no, you don't go for it. Right? Believe guys, you understand my point. Why? Because we are quite grown up and quite mature. India's young generation mindset is changing and having sex pre-marriage is common happening nowadays. It's completely personal choice. Neither I support it nor I against it. But yes, I believe it is okay for a woman to have a physical relationship, to have a sex before marriage if you and your partner both have a secure future. Sex is a very intimate activity which should be done with a partner of your choosing. First, remember this is your choosing. Practice the safe intimacy only on when your body and mind demands. It never to be pleased someone else's demands. You don't need to prove your love to somebody by sharing intimacy with them. Intimacy should happen when both parties are comfortable with it. But you should allow yourself to this period to understand the front side before taking it to the next level. Yes, it's true. The value and essence of relationship get realized after a certain period of time. There is no right and wrong in that situation. But I believe one thing. As per my opinion, I believe one thing. It is an appropriate time for everything. If you are in a committed relationship, you both think of getting married in future. So after that you can have a mutual consent, no problem at all. Love is a very blissful thing. You should cherish your relationship with your partner. But remember one thing, as per my opinion, physical intimacy is not only about sex. It is a kind of affection and every kind of touching. I would suggest to everybody to be in a relationship. Still we could touch each other and be touched with high affection and tenderness. That is real intimacy, as per my opinion. And पहले से ही मैं आपको बता दिया कि I don't force to anybody to follow the same. This opinion is totally mine. This is my own view. This is my own opinion. So आपको क्या लगा वो वीडियो देख के? आप का माइंड में, दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, थोड़ा कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बता दीजिए. Like, share and subscribe guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.